Hey everyone, this is Vu. I'm going to show you how to replace the trigger on the Bluetooth dual grip model of the VPRs 400 and 500. Sometimes they'll be in the front and sometimes they'll be in the back on earlier models. Regardless, you'll need the same things. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or your trusty lab knife. You'll need some replacement batteries. 2032 is the size you'll need. Pick these up mail order, Amazon, eBay, or your favorite e-tailer that offers free shipping, and you'll get them for roughly six to $10 for a pack of 5 or 10, or you can buy $6 for one at your local drugstore. Your choice on that. You'll probably want a small box or book. I'll show you why in a second. And then we'll go ahead and get started here. Because there's a shelf on the back of the VPR, I'm gonna use this box as a prop. You can use a book, would be even better because it's a little more solid. I'm gonna hold my hand down here to stabilize it. I'm gonna grab my little tool here. I'm gonna stick it underneath here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and pry and twist, and it will pop off. Depending on which VPR you have, it'll be harder or easier. This is the newest 511 build, so it pops out nice and easy. Go ahead and remove the door using your thumb to pry it open right there. You'll see the CR210 battery. If you have a very small screwdriver, you can pop it up right there. I don't have one handy right now, so I'll just do that, and that will pop it out. Go ahead and grab your replacement battery. We'll pretend this is the same one, or the new one, and you'll find this little tab right there. You'll push the battery into the tab. Be careful, if you push it down in the wrong way, you'll bend that tab down and possibly break it. We don't want that. So we're going to go ahead, if the tab is here, look for that, push it into that, push it in, engage the side, and then pop it down with your thumb. Hold it down on this side with your opposite thumb, your right thumb. Push it down on that side. Make sure the plus symbol is facing up at you. Go ahead and push the tab in and slide these two sides together. So make sure everything is flush all the way around. If it is, flip the switch on and you should see the blue light blink. If it does, you've been successful at this. Go ahead and place the little keychain ring back into the bottom below here. And then go ahead and push the opposite end, pop it back into the VPR, and you are all set. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you have one break on you during the process of this, please give me a ring and let me know, and we'll do the best we can to set you up back again for success. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.